Hello, my friends. I'm Dr. Stephen Clark Bradley, and this is what I think, and it's also what I know. What we see going on today is a clash of revolutions going on in our national politic. The first revolution that is being carried forth is the one that was started in November of 2016 when Donald J. Trump became president of the United States. He was elected to bring back and to restore the rule of law and the U.S. Constitution to its rightful place as our forefathers and our ancestors agreed to when they founded our nation. He was elected to bring back everything that was written therein and to live by it and to defeat the deep state. The deep state is what's happening in the second revolution going on at the same time in our nation. It is a revolution of the deep state that was started by Barack Obama and Joe Biden from 2009 until 2017 when they left office. Do you recall the words of Barack Obama? 5 days before the 2008 election, he said, "We are 5 days away from the fundamental transformation of America," which meant he was going to turn it into something that it was never expected to be, never envisioned to be, and he almost succeeded. He came a long way. He almost took everything down that we've ever stood for. And do you remember when you had no job? Do you remember when they said you could keep your insurance, but it got so expensive that the only reason you bought it was because you had to by law? Do you remember when you had no food on the table, when you couldn't find a full-time job? That was during the time of Barack Obama. Did they fail? They did not fail. That was their goal, to dismantle the United States of America. Now, I predicted before Donald Trump won in 2016 that the election of Donald Trump will create a great storm throughout the country because the deep state created by Barack Obama and empowered by Barack Obama and Joe Biden, the election of Donald Trump represented the end of all that. And their goal today isn't because they know Joe Biden is demented. They know Joe Biden is decayed mentally. They don't think he'll be president. He's going to be a chairholder. And they're going to speak through his mouth if he can get the words out. That's what it's all about. We have today this great tug of war, this great powerful war going on between, not left and right, between good and evil, between sound and wrong, between America and the deep state. They want to destroy everything that we've ever tried to build, and it's their goal. They don't care. They are trying to make you believe that by Donald Trump defending you, protecting you, America, that he's wrong, and the hoodlums outside tearing up our buildings, injuring our cops, using bombs, they're right, and Donald Trump is wrong. How can that be? How can that be? But they want us to believe that. What we see going on is a great stressful time between the deep state that has been torn apart by Donald Trump and the restoration of the U.S. Constitution and America as we were envisioned and prescribed to be. That's what's happening right now, today, at this moment. Look at the cities around America. Look what's going on. Do you think this is all by happenstance? Does this have anything to do with George Floyd anymore? He was abandoned long ago. This is all about bringing back what Barack Obama and Joe Biden started, and bringing it to fruition and to completion and fundamentally transforming America into a nation it was never envisioned to be. We have a chance to stop it. Donald Trump put into power the first 4 years. Everything we need, all the seeds are in the ground. We need 4 more years to let it grow. A decision is crouching at your door, America. Destiny is crouching at your door, America. It's up to you and me and all of us to put him back in office so that we can keep America great. Thank you.